Hi, today is March 20th at about 1 o'clock. Today I'm back at WorkSource. They did a privacy complaint on me. This is Emerson. I see you. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to go in and talk to them about what happened before. Oh.
You too. Thank you. All right.
Hello, sir. How
Hi.
are you doing today?
Good.
So this is a place of business, and the customer, if you're not a customer, you can sit up there.
I can go wherever I'm allowed.
Do you have a waiver?
No,
What will you use?
Are you-
What will you use your film for?
for whatever I choose to.
Will you be getting ad money for it?
I don't know.
Well, if you choose to get ad money for it, then you need to get a consent from anyone who is in your film.
Oh, really? I have a question for you. Have you ever looked this up? Wrong one. I want you to do a search on these.
I'm not going to do a search right
No,
now.
no,
because
I'm just. You'll see what I'm talking about.
So I
If
haven't-
you do a Google search on.
I'm
on
not going to do that right now.
Glick versus Gunfee, and also Fordyce versus Seattle. Those are both federal cases that say we can record our government.
So that's different. So
How are you any different than the Department of Licensing?
So there are distinctions in case law, and so I haven't given you permission to use my name, my likeness,
Doesn't matter.
to make ad money off of those, any of those. And if
Doesn't
you
matter.
put it, yes it does, and if you put it online, I'll just ask to have it taken down on
Okay.
privacy rights.
Go ahead and take this. Fordyce versus Seattle and
No.
Glick versus Gunfee.
I know my rights.
Okay, check these out.
No, I know
Because
my
you're
rights.
you're a government employee, are you not?
You don't own me.
I didn't say that. I said, are you a government employee?
I own my name,
Okay, so
my
you're
likeness.
a government employee.
I own my name,
You're a government employee.
I own my likeness, and you can't make ad money unless you have my permission. So you need my permission
I
to
don't.
make money off of my name and my likeness.
No, you don't.
Look at the terms of service on YouTube.
Okay. Look at these. Look at these. Take it.
You look
I
at the
brought
terms of
these-
service on YouTube.
I brought this for you to have.
That's okay. I know the terms of service on YouTube. And if you want to take the name, the likeness, the voice of anyone in this building, you need to have a waiver and their permission.
Okay.
So if you don't get that, then you can't put it up there.
Oh, since when?
Have you read it?
Are you the same like an employee across the street at the
You know,
Department of License?
if they don't know their rights, that's not my job.
I see you put this up since I've been here before. Did you?
Doesn't matter. So I'm gonna ask you to leave
Does-
because you don't have a waiver
Okay.
and you don't
Does
have
the
permission.
public have the ability to come back and use the computer? I've seen it on
Customers.
Yes, customers have the ability to come back and use this. I can go anywhere a customer can go.
Nope, not if you are impeding their rights and their privacy. So
Am I impeding somebody's rights to privacy?
I saw the video and I saw that you did impede their privacy.
Who?
And that's why your video is not up there anymore.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna ask you to leave because you interfere with customer service.
I'm not
when you're
interfering
here.
with anything.
And when you film someone's private information without their permission,
I didn't film anybody's private information.
so I'm going to ask you to leave. You do not have my permission to film.
Okay.
And so if you put it up, I will take it down again on privacy rights.
Okay. Well, you could ask me to leave, but
I am. I'm asking you to leave.
I don't have to.
Well, you cannot post a video
Hmm.
of my name, my voice, my likeness without my permission.
Okay, we'll see about that.
And I'll just take it down again.
Okay,
That's exactly what I'll do.
okay, we'll see about that.
Your claim to making an audit, a constitutional audit, is fraudulent because your point is to make ad money. That's what your
No,
point
my
is.
point is to keep government employees in line.
No.
Yes.
Your purpose, you didn't answer when I asked if you were going to put it online and make money off of it.
So, I don't have to answer to you. You're a government employee.
No. I'm going to ask you to leave.
And I'm
because
gonna politely-
this isn't a government building. We rent from a private owner. We don't own this building. And so under case law, I can ask you to leave. when
But
you
this is
interfere
a
with
government. This is run by a government agency.
We lease it. So
Okay.
it's actually private property.
But it becomes public when
Nope.
you're the government.
Incorrect.
Oh.
Incorrect.
Okay, call the police then if you want. Call the police. 'Cause I'm going to be here.
I'm going to ask you to leave.
Okay, you can ask me to leave.
You need to sit over in the customer area.
Customers can come back here. It's listed. I can't go back there, and I'm not trying.
You're not a customer. You've already stated that.
Okay, but I've seen customers go back here, so I can be back here.
You've stated you're not a customer.
Yeah, sure I am. Doesn't
No.
matter.
It does matter. Because
Okay.
here,
Do I see
Here.
other public people? Now I witnessed somebody come back and
Okay.
use your computer right off this.
I'm going to ask you to leave again.
Okay.
Because you're not a customer. And because the last time you filmed customers' private information.
Did that.
Yes, it was you filmed the screens of
Oh,
our
boy.
employees. And you posted it on YouTube.
Are you the manager? You're the manager then, aren't you? So I'm going to give you this. This is a document that anybody can come in and do.
I don't want your document.
Okay. Too bad you have to take this one. This is a FOIA request.
That doesn't go here. It goes to our records office.
You can get it to your office that you have. I don't know which office it belongs to.
You go online.
Here.
You can go online. I'm
Take
not going to
this.
take that from you. You go online.
This is a FOIA an official FOIA request.
And I'm telling you that online,
Doesn't matter.
Washington State is where the FOIA requests are made.
Doesn't matter. I'm going to give it to
I'm
you.
not that department. I
You
don't.
are?
I
You-
don't receive or
You can take
process
it.
FOIA requests.
You can take it.
I won't process it for you because that's not my department. I don't do those. You have to do it online. So I'm not that department. I don't do them. Someone else will process it for
Someone
you.
from your agency can take this and forward it to the proper person.
You have to file those on your own. I won't file it for you.
So you're refusing to file this for me?
I informed you I'm not that
You're
department.
refusing to take it to file.
I've
You're
explained
refusing
to you.
to take it. You're refusing to take it. Please take it.
Did you understand my words?
Did you understand mine? That you have to take it and forward it?
I'm not FOIA. I'm not the records.
I didn't say, but you
I'm
get
explaining
it.
to you that
to the right department.
there's another department.
Right,
that
and you
does
can
records.
get to them.
Okay. Well, let me take this paper and I'll explain to you again.
Okay, and you're going to
So
forward it,
do you want me
right?
to take this paper?
And forward it.
I won't forward it on your behalf because I'm telling you where it needs to go.
I'm telling you, you can do that.
No, see, that's not my job, so that's what I'm telling you.
So you're
I'm giving
refusing
you
to
the,
take
I'm
this.
giving you the information.
You're refusing to take this.
I'm giving you the
You're refusing
information
to take it,
and the
aren't you?
resources that you need so that you can do this.
Okay. And you
So you
can
go
take
online.
this and forward it. You can take it and forward it to me.
So I'm telling you again, that's not my department and
You
it's
can do
not
so.
my area. That's not what I do, but I'm giving you the information
Okay.
so
You-
that you can.
Okay, you can take it and you can forward it to the right people.
Regardless, that is not my
So
job.
you're refusing to.
So you're refusing to understand my
Oh, no.
words that are coming out of
Nope.
my mouth.
Nope. Any
Yeah.
department can take their own FOIA request.
So I've given you the information.
No, you're not doing your job though.
Oh, I'm doing my job.
I know.
I've given you the information of what you need to
You're
do
refusing
and
to
how
take
to find it and what you need
I would
to
like
do
to give to
submit
you to
it.
forward,
I'm happy to take it for you.
but not if you
Want me to
don't
take the
forward it.
paper? I'm happy to take the paper for you.
Are you going to forward it?
So as I've explained, I've taught you what you need to do
And I told you
in
what
order
you need
to
to
file
do.
it. Okay,
So you're not going to do
thank
that.
you. So I think our business is done then.
Okay. Well, I'll be here for a long time then. You know, if you let the other one just be like it was, I wouldn't be back here. But because you wouldn't let the other one be, that's why I'm back.
Okay, and I've explained that I can't allow you to film customer information or customers without their permission.
Are they in public?
This is a business, a
Public?
place of business where
Public?
they are receiving customer service.
From the government.
Private, where private information can be within your view if you come within a space that's not accessible to you unless you're a customer.
Customers
if
are
you're-
acceptable back here.
Yeah.
This
And
is
if you're-
this is a customer computer, and I'm
Yes.
standing right at
And
it.
there's private information that could end up in cybersecurity issues, and I need to protect that. So I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
Okay, you can ask.
All right. So I'm going to take care of it then. I'm going to ask you again, please take a seat over there.
So you don't like that I came in again. There's run telling manager that I was here.
Hello. How you doing?
Good, how are you? Good.
Hi. Let me give my director, this gentleman here.
Okay, thank you.
Just sitting here recording it my government.
So I had it taken down. And I explained to him, we need permission from you or my customers if you want to use our name like this or voice, if you want to make it ad dollars.
Did you want to trespass?
Yeah, I explained to him that I didn't want him in the building. I asked him to leave several times. He doesn't want to leave.
So yeah, if you want to trespass him, we can fill out the form.
Okay, you have to ask me to leave first, though. If
Then,
and give me the chance.
I've
so is
asked
that
him to
something?
leave.
Is that something you'd like to
Can you
do?
please leave, sir?
Okay. This is a government building,
Is
and
that something you'd like to do?
and I'm protecting my rights as a First
You
Amendment.
want to trespass him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I'll leave then.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna go grab the form.
Well, I'll leave. I'm leaving. How can you make me leave, though, if I'm doing a First Amendment protected activity? Can you talk to me, please? Sir? How can you make me leave when I'm doing a First Amendment protected activity? What? Okay, but I want to ask, so you can't trespass me if I'm just doing a first, for that though, can you? From a public building? This is a public building.
Yeah.
Run by WorkSource, which gets government money,
Okay.
and they are a public company. I'm
They have
doing,
a sign that says no public restrooms.
I'm sorry?
Why do they have a sign that says no public restrooms?
But it says, you know, that they are open to,
So you're saying that they can
I can
choose to not allow people to come in for the public restroom? You're causing a disturbance.
I am not causing a disturbance. I'm not causing a disturbance.
Okay.
See, that's a lie.
So if you don't leave, then you're going to be trespassed.
Okay.
So she's going to fill it out. So are you refusing to leave, or are you going to stay here?
I'm standing on the sidewalk. Do you know about the First Amendment?
Oh, sir. Yes, I do.
Okay, let me ask you, can you stop?
It sounds like he's handling. I'll just let him take care of this. So
Well,
he'll be back in just a moment.
no, I would like to talk to you. What's your badge number
2508.
and your name? Can you stop
Jordan.
a second? Can you stop, please? I would like to talk to you, please.
So they're going to want to trespass if you go back into the building.
Okay, stop a second. Can you stop, please? Hey. Hello?
Any questions about that, sir?
Yes, I do. I want to talk
Go
to you.
back into the building, okay?
Hey. I'd like to talk to you, please.
Excuse me.
I'd like to talk to you, please.
me.
Can you wait and talk to me?
I don't need to talk to you.
Okay. Well, I'm going to be filing a complaint. What is your name?
Okay.
What is your name?
Just stand back from the car, please, so I can drive off.
Okay, I'm not near your car. I mean,
Okay, well, I'm leaving, and I don't want to run your feet over or something.
okay.
So can you please?
Okay, do you know
Okay.
about the First Amendment?
Absolutely. Can you move your feet, please, sir?
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay. Please don't go back into the building. She's going to trespass you, okay?
Well, I'm going to PD right now.